If you're searching for an easy-to-use, stylish, and efficient espresso machine that delivers rich and flavorful coffee right at home, this Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine might be exactly what you need. Designed to provide the perfect balance between convenience and quality, this coffee maker makes it easy for anyone to enjoy barista-style espresso drinks with just the touch of a button. In this detailed review, we'll dive into the features that make this compact coffee machine stand out and why it's worth considering for your kitchen. Why choose the Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine? Still unsure if this coffee maker is the right choice for you? Here are some reasons why the Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine might just be the perfect fit. 1. Space-saving design. The compact and slim profile makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices. 2. Ease of use. With one-touch operation and automatic shut-off, brewing coffee has never been easier. 3. High-quality coffee. The 20-bar pump ensures a rich flavor and perfect crema with every cup. 4. Flexible brewing options. 2 programmable cup sizes allow you to customize your coffee experience. 5. Wide compatibility. Compatible with NS Original Espresso capsules and other capsule brands. 6. Easy to clean. Removable parts and adjustable cup holders make maintenance simple. 7. Elegant design. Adds a touch of style to any kitchen setup. A sleek and compact design for modern kitchens. The Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine has a sleek and elegant design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen, regardless of size. Its slim profile, just 4.5 inches wide, makes it a perfect choice for small countertops, apartments, or office spaces. Despite its compact size, it doesn't compromise on performance or style. The modern design adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen setup, making it more than just a coffee maker. It's a statement piece. One-touch convenience. Perfect for coffee beginners. Brewing a perfect cup of coffee doesn't have to be complicated, and the Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine proves that. With its user-friendly one-button operation, this espresso maker is perfect for beginners and coffee enthusiasts alike. In just 25 seconds, you can enjoy a hot, flavorful cup of espresso. Plus, the automatic shut-off feature after 30 minutes of inactivity ensures energy efficiency and safety. This hands-free convenience makes your morning routine smoother and faster, allowing you to focus on starting your day. 20-bar high-pressure pump. Rich, barista-style coffee at home. At the heart of the Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine is a 20-bar high-pressure pump that guarantees a high-quality extraction, delivering coffee with a rich, intense flavor and satisfying aroma. The consistent pressure allows for the perfect espresso shot, complete with a smooth layer of crema, just like what you'd get from a professional barista. Whether you prefer a strong espresso to kickstart your day or a milder lungo for a relaxed afternoon, this machine ensures every cup is brewed to perfection. 2 programmable cup sizes, customized to your preferences. Variety is key when it comes to coffee, and the Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine delivers. It features 2 programmable cup sizes, allowing you to choose between espresso, 1.35 aughts, and lungo, 3.05 aughts. This versatility lets you prepare different types of coffee drinks, from classic espresso shots to iced Americanos, lattes, or cappuccinos with ease. The machine's simplicity and flexibility give you the freedom to experiment with different flavors and recipes, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Compatible with NS Original capsules. Effortless brewing. Every time. One of the most convenient aspects of the Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine is its compatibility with NS Original Espresso capsules and other capsules of the same size. This flexibility allows you to explore a variety of coffee flavors and intensities, giving you the freedom to find the perfect coffee blend for your taste. Plus, the machine's pod container can store used capsules, so you don't have to worry about cleaning up after every brew. This practical feature makes the Beanglass machine a low-maintenance option for daily use. Easy maintenance. Designed for everyday use, cleaning and maintaining the Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine is hassle-free thanks to its thoughtful design. The removable water tank, drip tray, and used pod container make it easy to clean and ensure that your machine stays in top condition for years to come. The 2 height-adjustable cup holders are designed to accommodate different cup sizes, preventing splashing and keeping your countertop clean. These practical features add to the machine's user-friendliness, making it suitable for anyone who loves the taste of freshly brewed coffee without the fuss. The Beanglass Espresso Pod Machine offers an unbeatable combination of style, convenience, and performance, making it a smart choice for coffee lovers who want to enjoy barista-quality coffee at home without the hassle. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.